Welcome to my channel. Today's video, we will tackle the difference of passive and active components. What is passive component? A passive component or element in electrical, it does not generate power but instead dissipates, stores, and or releases it. Passive elements include resistances, capacitors, and coils. It's also called inductors. Okay, let's tackle first the passive component. First is the capacitor. A capacitor is a device that stores electrical energy in an electric field. It is a passive electronic component with two terminals. This is the two terminals. Second is the resistor. Resistor is a passive two-terminal electrical component that implements electrical resistance as a circuit element. It is an electronic circuits. In electronic circuits, resistors are used to reduce current flow, adjust signal levels, to divide voltages, bias active elements, and terminate transmission lines, among other uses. This is the picture of resistor. The inductor. An inductor, also called a coil, choke, or reactor, is a passive two-terminal electrical component that stores energy in a magnetic field when electrical current flows through it. Okay, let's tackle the active component or element. An active element is an element capable of generating electrical energy. The transistor. Transistor is a semiconductor device used to amplify or switch electronic signals and electrical power. This is the transistor. The SCR or the silicon controlled rectifier. The basic purpose of SCR is to function as a switch that can turn on or off a small or large amount of power. Diode. Diode is to allow electrical current to pass in one direction, called the diode's forward direction, while blocking it in the opposite direction, the reverse direction. This is the picture of diode. So let's tackle the differences of these two components. The basis is nature of source. In active components deliver power or energy to the circuit, while the passive component, it is utilize power or energy in the circuit. Examples are diodes, transistors, SCR, integrated circuits, and etc. While in passive component, the examples are resistors, capacitor, inductor, and etc. In the basis of function of the component, in active components, device which reduce energy in the form of voltage or current, while in passive component, devices which stores energy in the form of voltage or current. In the power gain, they in active components, they are capable of providing power gain, while in passive, they are incapable of providing power gain. The flow of current. Active components can control the flow of current. Passive components cannot control the flow of current. Can you see the difference, guys? Requirements of external source. They require an external source for the operations, while in the passive, they do not require any external source for the operations. And the last is in nature of energy. In active components, the energy donor. The active components are the energy donor, while in passive components, they are the energy acceptor. And that's the end of our topic, guys. Thank you and mabuhay.